These are control arm bushings for a BMW, specifically an e46 323i. And this is just a pro tip so you don't go through the trouble that I did when you're trying to install these for the first time. So when you first get it, it'll look like this on both sides. And it may not look like there's any extra pieces in there, but there's actually a locking ring that kind of fits in that opening, the channel around the opening where the control arm goes. And you're going to want to make sure that you don't try to install the bushing onto the control arm with that lock ring still on, because it will never go onto the mount. What you want to do is take a screwdriver or something and pry it out. So this one is kind of retained in that groove, so you don't need to worry about losing it. And you just cram that back in once it's installed on your lower control arm. Again, that's it without the lock ring. That should go in there. That's the lock ring installed. Make sure you take out the lock ring before you install the bushing.